I just feel that guys need to come to a point where they really understand the nature of women. They really understand that the nature of women is shallow. And a lot of men need to truly understand that the nature of women is evil. Women are evil people. They're not good people. They're really and truly not good people. Women are evil, and they got the devil in them.
Would you ever date Dalmatian dog? I don't think I'm gonna answer that question out of diplomacy. I've answered that question before. You can find it in old streams. The dirt protects against the other dirt. The RV is stinky. DDog alt. And they ask why I talk shit. Can't wait for DDog's rage stream. You said there was zero attraction. That guy looked like an owl. He looked like an uncanny valley. Like, it was the weirdest IRL I've ever had. In terms of that, he didn't look human. I'm sorry. He was scary. Like, I felt like I was in a horror movie.